Hi guys, I hope you're all studying well for the exams. I hope you're all doing well. ICAI has rolled out the opt-out scheme for November 2020 exams. A lot of students were asking a lot of questions regarding this opt-out scheme, so I thought I'll be rolling out a video to explain their queries. Now, first thing, this opt-out scheme is applicable to students under three scenarios. Those three scenarios or those three cases are the first point where a student turns out is COVID positive or is showing symptoms of COVID positive any time till the conclusion of the examinations, till the conclusion of the exams. Second condition is where the family members with whom the student resides, they turn out to be COVID positive any time till the conclusion of the exams. Third condition is the locality in which a student resides is declared as a containment zone, again any time till the conclusion of the examinations. So starting now till the conclusion of the examinations, a student has an option to opt out based on these three scenarios. Remember, till the conclusion of the examination. It is not that you have to do it today only. So yeah. So what are the options available in case a student chooses to opt out from the examination? Now there are two options available. Option one is a student can opt out from these exams, November 2020 exams, and write the exams in Jan 2021 or May 2021. Now there's an amazing move by ICAI. They have introduced this new examination window of Jan 2021, taking the current scenario into consideration. Remember, Jan 2021 will be termed as a second cycle of November 2020 exams only. It is not like a separate attempt altogether. It is being officially termed as a second cycle of November 2020 exams. So how will this opt-out scheme affect students of CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final? Now, if a CA Foundation student wishes to opt out, say after writing one paper or two paper or three papers of CA Foundation, then remember he has to fill out the opt-out form, of course, the declaration form. And if he wishes to write in Jan 2021, there will not be any subsequent examination form. He does not have to fill any form. But if he wishes to write in May 2021, he will have to again fill an examination form. But of course, the fees will be adjusted. You do not have to pay the examination fees again. Remember, you will have to write all the four papers again. It is not like if you have attempted three papers now, you will have to write only one paper later. You will have to still write all the four papers again. Similarly, if a student of CA Inter or CA Final is opting out from November 2020 exams, remember this is important. Say if you have filled your examination form for only one group now, if you have filled your examination form for only one group now and you wish to write in Jan 2021, you will still be eligible to write only one group. You are not filling examination form again. You are simply filling the opt-out declaration form, which means if you have originally opted to write only one group in November 2020 attempt, then you will be eligible to write only one group in Jan 2021. However, if you wish to write in May 2021, because you're filling examination form again, you can choose to write both the groups later. So yes, if it is Jan 2021, you cannot change the number of groups. If it is May 2021, you can always change the number of groups for which you're attempting. Also, in case a student of CA Inter or CA Final has already attempted 7 papers and now wishes to opt out, then he will have to compulsory write all the 4 papers of group 2 again. He can, because all the papers of group 1 are done, he will have to again write all the 4 papers of group 2. So in case you've written 3 papers of group 1 and you wish to opt out, then you will have to write all the 4 papers of group 1 again. Only if you have attempted all the 4 papers of a particular group, you do not have to attempt it again. I hope that answers all your queries, guys. I wish you all the very best for examinations. Keep studying. All the very best.